Here again with another episode about the car repair. I have a 2009 Ford Flex 3.5. I'm replacing alternator. First thing you do, negative battery. I don't need to tell you, that's a new battery. The alternator is right there. For replacing the alternator, you need to take the fan off. You can has a two 8mm. One is right there. One is right there. See it, just take it out, move this cable out of the array, pull it out, and it's easy to replace the alternator. To remove the valve, you need a long extension. You see, 3/8. There is a. Let me bring my phone. Oops, I dropped my screwdriver. Let me show you guys how it looks like. See the extension and this long ratchet. Sorry. Long ratchet, I put it there, 3/8, it's easy to move, just pull it back, that's it. Oopsie. For the top bolt, it has a 15mm nut, so you need to have a wrench like this, straight, put it right there, take it out, easy. And the last one, I put the 15mm swivel, but you can use a regular socket. Right there, you see it? It's a 15mm with a long ratchet. If you have a short, that's fine, you can work with it. But that's a long one. The bottom one, it's a hard one. It's a long bolt. Just take it out, and then you see, to get the alternator, it take 20 minutes to take it out. Probably 10 minutes to put it back. That's all.